Welcome back to the Sand and Track YouTube channel. Today I'm bringing you a video from my buddy Jas, who's behind the mean project Wahsh Pajero. He's created a DIY inflation system that he will take us through in detail. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and please subscribe to the channel for further updates. Enjoy!
After a lot of Instagram requests, I've decided to make a video on the tire inflation system inside my car, and if I get a lot of interest, I will start making these kits available in UAE. So let me know what you guys think. I've made a short demonstration video explaining how everything works and the times it takes to inflate and deflate all 4 tires at the same time. Enjoy it. It was taken inspiration from the Wi-Fi air system I had found on Instagram a while back. So basically what it is it's a 4 tire inflation system which I have assembled into the boot of my car. If you see, I have connected, each wire is connected via 2 valve stems on each tire, and I've gone ahead and done that already. So first I'm going to show you deflation. So now if you see over here, it shows that all 4 tires are approximately like 30-32 psi, and I'm going to start a timer, a stopwatch, to tell us how long it takes to deflate all tires from 32 down to 15 or 12, which is what I use in the desert. So here we go. I'm starting the timer now, and we just opened this valve. So now the air is being released out, and we wait. All right, it's been 4 minutes now. We will check, and the pressure is perfectly around 10 to 11, and we'll just go ahead and check it on a single tire just to make sure. Also, what you want to do is give all, it's a closed system, so you give all the tires like 30 seconds after to regulate the pressure between them to be set at even, and then we can just go and test a single tire to see if that gauge is accurate. Here we go, and the gauge is reading perfectly 13, so maybe it was not regulated fully yet, but you get how the system works. And now we will test inflation. All right guys, so where this system really shines is in the inflation, because normally in the summer when we're in the desert, I mean, you don't want to sit and have to inflate each tire by yourself. So what I do now is I just leave the compressor on, grab some coconut water or some drink, and just sit inside the AC of the car while the tires all fill up. And I'm going to show you how fast it does it. Just for record, these tires are 275/70 by 16s, so that roughly works out to a 32 or 32 inch tire. If you have a bigger tire, say a 35, it may take an extra minute to minute and 20 seconds. All right guys, here I am in the cockpit of the Pajero. So now we're going to test how long it takes for the tires to go from 12 to 13 psi all the way up to 30. Let's do 33. Yeah, let's do 33 psi, which is what I drive on the roads. So here we go. I think that should be us done. After 3 minutes and 45 seconds, we are reading a perfect 33 to 34 psi. Okay guys, I've given it approximately 30 to 35 seconds extra so that all the tires can level out at the set psi. Now if we check, I will check 2 tires. So this tire, if we read it, it reads 33 on the dot. Let's go around to another tire. Let's do the rear right, so the complete opposite. And if we check this tire, we are also reading 32. Perfect. So this should be the case for all 4 tires. Let's just make sure. Perfect, on the dot. And the last one, which I have no doubt will also be correct. 31.5, almost. And now all we have to do is just go around each tire, take out the stems. Here's one, here's two, so they're all quick disconnects, so it becomes really easy. Next one, yep, it's a simple quick disconnect. Number 3 and number 4 right here. Take it out. There you have it. So this is all you really have to carry, and I nicely fit it in this compartment here in the back of my boot. I've also added little braided linings to these cables, so they won't melt or burst in the heat, just to give them some extra protection. There you have it. That's the system. So we deflated in 4 minutes, was it? Yep, 4 minutes from 33 down to 12 13, and 3 minutes and 40 seconds to come right back up to from 12 13 psi all the way back up to 33.